We still have Christmas lights up here. We like it because at nighttime it really like sets the mood and provides just enough lights. It's a rainy old day today, but it's at least pretty warm out. I think it's going up to 10 degrees Celsius today. So for us, that's like really warm spring weather. I can't wait until I know it's not gonna snow anymore and I can put my canopy up over here and bring my swing out and my little table set. I really can't wait for that. Aw, look at her. Hi, Mittens. Hi, Mittens. Sammy made us this bird feeder. What did you make it for? Was it for Valentine's or something?
No, it was for Christmas.
She made us this for Christmas, so we're gonna fill it with seed right now and get it hung. Our other feeder is nice and full, and up here, we're gonna hang this one with it. Here, hold it. Want me to pour it in? It's falling out. It's super full of seed, so now we have to hang it. I need another clip to hang it with, but for now I'm gonna use a pipe cleaner. I brought one out. And we're gonna hang it with the pipe cleaner just for now, and we will find a better clip real soon. Jeremy spread a bunch of seed along here for the bigger birds. So hopefully it'll stay. Looks pretty. Looks so good. This pallet washed up during the storm when everything flooded. I don't even know where it came from, so we'll have to, I don't know, maybe hook it on the back of the lawn tractor or something and tow it out of here because it's heavy, but it's soaking wet. Big pallet. We could use it at the land for sure. That's deer poop. We have so many deer back here, it's crazy. Don't know if any of you have ever seen one of these, but this is an air fryer, and we got it for Christmas from my in-laws, and I absolutely love it. So it's really neat. It's not the air fryer that you can like cook steak in, or that like the oven type one. It's just got these little baskets, but you could cook almost anything in here. We cook, I do like chicken nuggets. I make my own fries. So with the potatoes, I just cut them up and cook them in here. And it's so much better because it's not covered in grease. So I absolutely love it. Right now, Sam wants a little pizza for lunch. So I'm just gonna cook her a little pizza in it. It literally, everything I've cooked so far, it seems to cook well. I love it, I'm super impressed. You just lay it in there. Press the air fryer. It has different options. Air fryer, roast, what's that? Reheat, dehydrator. So this is not a promo for it. We actually got this from my in-laws for Christmas, so I'm not sponsored by this company. I'm just showing you it because I actually think it's really neat and I love having an air fryer. We cook wings in it and stuff, obviously like the regular wings, French fries, but I do like nuggets, pizza, fish sticks. Yeah, a lot of like quick things. It's fun to cook in here. Pretty cool. Let her pizza cook. Here's what it turns out like. Half eaten, but it's pretty good. Remember we went to that German restaurant not long ago? Well, they also own a butcher shop, which is like right beside the restaurant. So we went in there and we bought like a few different types of deli meats and sausages and ground pork. And so now I'm gonna cook one of their sausages. We've cooked a few and they're amazing. So I'm gonna cook one tonight and show it to you. These are them. There was a few different flavors, but we don't really remember what they were. Just been eating them and really enjoy them. Gonna make homemade French fries in the air fryer as well. We like really thin fries. We usually leave the skin, but these ones they've been in the cupboard for a while, so they're starting to sprout a little bit. So I clean them up. So they're all rinsed and ready to cook. You gotta shake them halfway. It smells amazing. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So homemade fries and a sausage that wasn't homemade here, but it was made at the local butcher shop. So pretty cool. So we're gonna go and enjoy some supper. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.